In this video, we will explain the difference between a portfolio, a program, and a project. If we take the example of a company that has just finalized its strategic planning cycle, we notice that the strategic goals are established, be it new goals or updated ones. Goals could be penetrating a new market, increasing brand awareness, or launching a new product line. The company would then note its new goals in a strategic plan, from which a set of initiatives is created to serve the strategic goals. For example, for increasing brand awareness, initiatives could be a marketing campaign, exposure to new markets, designing a new product, serving ads, and others. Now comes the fun. Those initiatives will be grouped into portfolios, programs, and projects. All companies, whether big or small, have implicitly or explicitly created a portfolio to showcase the capabilities and strengths of the business's services and their investment decisions. Portfolios form the tracks a company has towards its vision. In other terms, they highlight the mission an organization adopts to reach its vision. A common decomposition of initiatives under portfolios is by geographical locations. For example, AT&T might decompose its portfolios into West, East, etc. for network coverage. Other common groupings include market, age, product line, customer, so on, so forth. So, portfolios, by definition, group endeavors under an investment track towards one or more strategic goals. For the purpose of example, we will consider a company ABC with the strategic goal of penetrating the banking industry in the United States using a new banking software system. Taking the assumption that this company has a worldwide presence, it will create a new portfolio for the US and group the software development endeavors in the US under it, noting that other groupings can exist, such as by a specific bank, market, etc. Because portfolios serve investments, they have to constantly compete for budget and human resources, of course, amongst others. Resources are given to portfolios with higher priorities. In our example of company ABC, we might have endeavors grouped under our portfolio, such as a mobile app development, website design, dashboards design, new ATM system, new banking system, and others. Noting that not all portfolio components are usually covered by the budget. So, the portfolio manager would need to prioritize the components and choose the ones with higher priority, given mainly the budget and the human resources constraints. For example, if the portfolio was given a budget of $2 million, considering that it cannot undertake all components within this budget, and if the lowest project's priority is for the website, then the portfolio manager will remove the website from the active components and leave it aside for the next budgetary cycle, during which the portfolio manager will try to get the necessary budget. We will cover prioritization in a future video. A reminder here, even when the company thinks it does not have a portfolio, it will be serving one implicitly. Moving forward, some of the initiatives or endeavors under a portfolio would have interdependencies, and this is where the concept of programs comes in place. Such endeavors usually provide some sort of outcome or benefit to the organization. In our example of company ABC, endeavors could be building a mobile application and a website to promote the new product, or designing new intuitive dashboards to ease the lives of the management in banks. In the above example, the three projects could be interdependent. They could use the same backend system and the same database schema. They could even have reusable UI components and libraries. So, can they be grouped under a program? Well, not yet. Endeavors grouped under a program need to deliver greater benefit to the company than if they were undertaken separately. In our case, using the same backend system, database, and UI components can significantly decrease resource usage to develop each system one time instead of duplicating efforts for other projects. It can as well enhance the product by having less parts to maintain and a better troubleshooting and a fixing mechanism. Eventually, this will lead to a greater ROI, a more rigid SLA with customers, and a greater market penetration. So, yes, those endeavors can be grouped under a program. Till now, we have defined a portfolio and a program. Let us continue with defining a project. A project can serve under a portfolio or a program if it has interdependency with other components that leads to a greater benefit. It can be grouped under a program, otherwise under a portfolio. If the project does not serve neither a portfolio nor a program, then it should be terminated because it does not serve the company, since it does not provide benefit and it does not fit to a certain strategic goal. So, strategic alignment and value delivery are missing here. A project is considered as an endeavor with clear time boundaries, meaning a start and expected end dates. It balances the four pillars of time, cost, scope, and quality throughout its life cycle. For example, if you have a budget cut, you need to chip off from other pillars, such as removing features, hence shrinking the scope, or lowering the quality of the delivered product. On the other hand, projects optimize the delivery of business value to the operational entities where the business value will be acquired, for example, by using the delivered product. Projects in our example include designing a website, building a mobile app, building banking dashboards, and many others. The size, complexity, or magnitude of an endeavor does not make it a portfolio, program, or project. So, a portfolio is not a big program, and a program is not a big project. Differentiating between the three is what we have covered in this video. Our next video will be on the difference between PMP, PgMP, and PfMP certifications. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with project management news. If you wish to know more about us and the packages we offer, please visit our website or contact us.